Hi friends, welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing a easy, simple and tasty dal. This is Rayalaseema special MenthiPappu. If you are watching my channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon to get more updates. You need 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 10 garlic cloves, a small lemon-sized tamarind, curry leaves, a cup of pigeon peas or tur dal, 10 to 15 red chillies. Here the spiciness is your choice. 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 2.5 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I am making MenthiPappu in pressure cooker. You can also make in normal pan. Heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it get hot. Now add mustard seeds, let them splutter, cumin seeds. Now add chopped onions and curry leaves. Let the onions fry till they turn into golden brown color. Now you can see the onions are fried. Now add pigeon peas, coriander seeds, methi seeds, red chillies, and mix well all the ingredients and fry for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame so that the pigeon peas will turn into golden brown color. Now you can see after 3 to 4 minutes the pigeon peas has slightly changed the color. So now add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, garlic cloves, tamarind and tomatoes. Now mix well all the ingredients and cook for a minute. Add 2.5 cups of water. Add salt as per taste and mix well. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles on medium flame. Here we have not soaked the tur dal, so 4 whistles are required. Now after 4 whistles, rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can see the dal is cooked perfectly. Now mash with wooden masher so that the tomatoes, garlic and red chillies will mix with the dal. The dal is mashed. Now adjust the salt. That's it. The Rayalaseema special MenthiPappu is ready. Here there is no need of tempering. We have already tempered, so no need of tempering again. The dal should be thick like this. We can serve this with rice, roti, jonna roti, chapati. This will be very tasty. Do try this recipe, and if you like this video, do comment in the comment section and like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have Facebook page, link given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye.